We have to find an element in an array where all the elements in the array, the difference between all the elements is 1. 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, 7, 7, 6. There is no need that the array is sorted, but the difference between all the elements will always be 1. Now to find an element, say 4, we can go through all the elements and find the elements, and then the complexity will be of pico of n. But here is the case, as the difference between the element is always 1, we can, when the pointer is at our 0 position, we will see what is the value of this element. If the value of this element is 8. Now if we are searching for 5, we know that difference between all the elements is 1. Now to go to the 5, the minimum, the element that will be in between will be 8, 7, 6 and then 5, because the 5 cannot comes after 8, because then the difference between in between two elements will be 3, and the array, we have the condition that the difference is always 1. So minimum 2 elements will always be present in between these two elements. We can use this and we can jump off these two elements. We can just avoid looking at the following two elements. So how many elements we can avoid will be the value at the pointer position, which is 8, and the element that we are looking is 5, which is 3. Now at this position, if we are at 0, we can just avoid 2 and we can go to position 0, 1, 2 and 3. We will look at the 3. So every time, now say if they are not in 8, 7, 6, if they are 8, 7, 6, 7, 6 and then 5, the pointer is 0, it will go to 6 without looking at two elements, and it will go and see it's not the 5. Now it will again calculate the difference, 7 minus 5, which is 2, because then to come to 5 it has to be 7, 6 and then 5. So it can avoid this element, it can go and check this. So at this position, the position is 3 and the difference is 2. So it will go to 3 plus 2, 5. It will go to position 5. 3, 4, 5. It will go and check if this is 5. If this is the element 5, if this is the element that we are looking for, it will return the element. Now here we have to also see that we always have to take the absolute value of this, the pointer, because sometime if we are going like 5, 6, 7, and in this case when we are doing the minus, it will return a minus value. In this case we always have to take the absolute value of this difference and then calculate how many positions it needs to jump.